Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mr. Ezekiel here, and today we're going to be talking about the Rog Strix 1000 watt PSU power supply, in other words, and we're going to be unboxing it. Let's unfold and talk about its information as the video goes along. So without more to say, please leave your comments down below, like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So as you guys can see, we have the power supply here. We ordered it, it's here. It has a 10-year warranty. We don't know though how long these do last. As you guys can see right here, we have the manuals. We have even zip ties that come in here. I ripped this. So you guys are going to be finding these zip ties in here. That is pretty dope. I'm guessing it's for cable management. What? Then we're gonna have these Republic of Gamer. It's so you can tie up the PSU cable. Let's call them strings or fibers. 4 screws that go inside the PSU to your PC case. Then we're gonna have the Rog Strix stickers. This is a big W. I really don't use these. Oh, this kind of weighs. This might be magnetic. I really don't use these. I like to keep them. I don't know. I'm just that kind of guy that uses them. So we have this Rog Strix. As you guys can see, it's magnetic coupon that you're always going to get. Of course, we're going to get a manual. I don't know who's going to read all this, but remember, always read the instructions before installing.
And now let's go to the power supply.
So at the moment you guys take this off, we're going to have Republic of Gamers PSU. Okay guys, so this PSU is full modular. As you guys can see right here, it comes in with a nice little baggie, looking cool, looking clean. For $180, I feel like this is really actually pretty good. Looks like really clean everywhere you go. It has that Rog Strix logo stuff on the side, 80+ gold certified. I mean, it just looks clean. The fan isn't RGB. I don't know why people think it is. I think it's the Thor one. There we go. As you guys can see in the back, 3-pin connector. Then we have this to turn it off, the switch, and I don't know what this is for. I'm gonna read about it. You guys might already know. Leave it in the comments if you know. We're just doing the unboxing today, but I do want to tell you guys that it says it has an actual tech fan design with dual ball fan bearings, and over the years I've been saying that's getting pretty expensive to do. So quality, guys, quality. And we have all the cables right here, guys, like SATA cables. We even have a Molex cable right here. Here we have more cables, whether it be for your graphics card, motherboard. I mean, it just brings everything in here, and it's threaded cable. So yeah, that's gonna be really looking clean, even though we're probably gonna be using ARGB extension cables. And I mean, that's really it to the product. There's nothing special about this. I think the price is a little bit hefty. 180 for a lot of people might not be a lot. For other people it might be too much. But what I wanted to really comment on it is you guys should probably check how much wattage you guys are really going to be using before you buy 1000 watt PSU or 1200 PSU. You know, like a lot of times you're not even going to use up to half of that, but it's always better to be safe than and like your PC be turning off in the middle of a game. Okay guys, so that will be the end of this video. It was really just a quick unboxing, the design, about what it brings. Is it worth it? Too much, too little? If you order this is what you're gonna get. This is not promotion. I just want to let you guys know that. So I try to use really good components depending on what I'm gonna put in there, whether it be a 4080, 4090. So thanks for watching the video, and see you guys next time.